welcome back to Kodemine. Carry here. So, hope you guys enjoyed previous video how we can create a controller or how we can call the method in the controller. So, in this video we will see how we can pass a value from a controller to a view. And this video is very important because in almost in every action we need to pass the values from our method to our views. For example, I want to pass some value from my home to my contactors template. How can I do that? For that I will use an array. For example, I will use a data, and in data I will take a key like author, and I will give him a name carry, and then platform I will give a value for mine. So you guys can see now what I have done here. I am creating array of some values. Yeah. And here I am passing that array. So in the next variable I will pass the data as a next variable in the view method, correct? So now I will go into the contactors, and here I will try to write down, and I will this is a template system, the you can say template engine. How can I print these values here? What is that? For example, what is the platform? That is variable is platform, and I press Ctrl Shift D and it will give me a duplicate copy. And what is the author? This is author. So you guys can see here I have created the key as a variable here. So whatever keys I have mentioned in my method will become a variable here in my PHP file, and in this way. So we will see is that working or not. So we have a issue here that this undefined constant, so it's taking as a constant, we will write down as a variable, and you guys see now we have now values here. So for example, I want to see that exactly the value is coming from here, at info@kodemine.com. so you guys can see now here I am passing my value from my controller action to my view. So we will treat that, can we pass or print the values using PHP? So we will try to use this way also, right? So we will see that are we able to print the variable using this way. Yeah, so let's go here. So you guys can see both way we can use to print the values of variable from controller, but my preference is to use this way, the curly braces way, to print the variables, right? Because it enhances the speed of Laravel application. So the basically the most the Laravel use actually this way, but we can use this way, but the Laravel prefer this way to write down the uh, to print the variables, correct? So hope you guys understand how we can uh, sending the values from the controller action to our views. Simply we need to create an array, right? In a single array we can have a multiple keys, and corresponding to that we have a multiple values, right? So we can send that value to my view, and simply that key will become my variable, right, into the view, and I can use its value. So hope you guys enjoy this video and you understand. If you guys still have any question, query, comment into the comment box. We will try to help you out. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.